Digimon Tamers, have you ever heard about Seedance 2? Honestly, I don't know much about that, but I'll tell you. Seedance 2 is an advanced AI video generation model designed to transform images and text prompts into smooth, cinematic videos. It excels at creating realistic motion, dynamic camera movements, expressive character animations, and high-quality visual storytelling. Whether you're making short films, social media content, advertisements, or animated scenes, Seedance 2 helps bring your ideas to life with impressive detail and consistency. Simply provide a prompt or image, and Seedance 2 turns your creative vision into motion within minutes. In this tutorial, I'll be using Dola AI on both mobile and PC, and I'll break it down into 3 modes: simple, basic, and storyboard. An example of the result is like this. Open the Dola AI app. I'll create a simple prompt. For example, I'll use Lopmon as a character reference. In this story, Lopmon is looking out over the forest at night. To make it more cinematic, I used a line from the final scene. Change model to Seedance 2, and duration video 10 seconds. And this is what it turned out to be.
The Digi-Defined will always protect you.
This basic part is what's going viral on social media. I'll show you how to create a cinematic fight scene. I used Lopmon against this robot. Surely you know who it is? To make it feel like a real anime, in this prompt, I wrote the sentence for the second shot. For those who don't know, that's Lopmon's special move. This is what it turned out to be.
Imploding ice!
The final step is the most important. But first, I have to create a storyboard. I'm using my own characters. In this story, I'm missing Lopmon.
Terriamon, I promise I won't leave you.
Honestly, I'm sad to see Lopmon go. This is the result. Once the storyboard is complete, it's time to create the video. In this prompt, I asked ChatGPT to create the video. This is what the final result looks like. That's Seedance 2, the current top tier. Which of these 3 modes is best for you? Like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you again, Tamers. Momentai.